Hey, what's up guys, and thanks for tuning in to Nerd Gadget. Today we're going to talk about a product that can help step up your content creating game whenever you use your Android phones to create your content. Now this will boost up your audio that comes out of your video with this microphone dual kit. Now we're going to do a quick unboxing and a sound test, and we're going to be jumping right in right after this. Jump right into the unboxing. I only ask for one favor. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this content, as it does help out my channel. As you can see, you have some reading material or instructions. You have this information here. And you have two transmitters, one receiver, and two phone windscreens. And there's one carrying pouch for all your content, which is really nice. Pop this open and you will see that there is a charge cable type A to type C, and there's another one as well. You are able to activate noise canceling with the transmitters, which is awesome. And using these windscreens will help reduce any external noise, like if you have wind in the background, maybe the central air blowing or a fan blowing. This can help alleviate that sound or block out that sound. We're gonna plug in the receiver. That's in there. You can see the light flashing. It's waiting to connect to the transmitter. Now I hope that this has enough battery life in it. Let's find out. Press and hold it. And as you can see, it connected right away. It's paired up. And you would just do the same for the other as well. So let's go ahead and turn it on. As you can see, it's connected as well. Really nice. But we're not going to need this one now. Hold down until it turns off. You can see that's powered off. Now I'm going to do a recording. We're just using the internal microphones on the Z Fold 6. Then I will do it using the transmitter without the windscreen. And then I'm going to use it with the windscreen so you can hear the difference. So here we go. This is me talking to the Z Fold 6 without even using an external microphone. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug in the Movo receiver, power this on, and then I'm going to clip this to my shirt, and let's give this a test. This is how my voice sounds while using the Movo Mini UC Dual external microphone. Let's go ahead and add the windscreen, and this is the section that you'll add it. That's where the mic is. So let's go ahead and just cover this up. There you go. This is how my voice sounds when using the Movo Wireless Mini UC Dual and the added windscreen. Now I'm going to go ahead and see how my voice sounds after activating the noise canceling. And the last test is going to be using the windscreen with the active noise canceling on. So let's go ahead and put this on and give that a test. Here we go. This is how my voice sounds with active noise canceling and the windscreen applied to the transmitter for the Movo Wireless Mini UC Dual. Let's check out the results. First one here. This is me talking to the Z Fold 6 without even using an external microphone. Next. This is how my voice sounds while using the Movo Mini UC Dual external microphone. That sounds more compressed. This is how my voice sounds when using the Movo Wireless Mini UC Dual and the added windscreen. All right, next. This is how my voice sounds when active noise canceling is activated on the Movo Wireless Mini UC Dual. And last. This is how my voice sounds with active noise canceling and the windscreen applied to the transmitter for the Movo Wireless Mini UC Dual. Very clear. These last two, the ANC, when ANC is activated, it's extremely, okay, let me say that part again. As you can see, with the ANC activated, it sounds extremely clear. And then when you add the windscreen, even clearer. definitely a game changer. Definitely a game changer. What are my thoughts? I definitely think this is an extremely inexpensive way to step up your content creation, video, audio. You heard the content. You heard my recordings. My voice sounded extremely clear. Like I said, above me, my central air is blowing. And it definitely comes across in the video and that sound definitely comes across in the first recording, even the second recording a little bit, and you can hear it blowing in the first recording without using the Movo. Now the second one, you didn't hear it as much, but you can still hear it, but my voice did sound closer. But when ANC was activated, I mean, it was night and day. And then when I added the windscreen, it definitely made a huge difference of how my voice sound, blocking out external noise. So this is definitely a way to go if you're not looking to spend heavy money or a premium price for premium features. Now, if you're interested in the Movo Wireless Mini UC Dual for Android, then make sure you go to the description section of this video and hit that link. But this completes my review and sound test for the Movo Wireless Mini UC Dual for Android.